Chargers taking on Naik Warriors. Batting first, Chargers. Vikas Gupta and Ayush Kedwal are the openers out in the middle. And always Naik Warriors. Their prime bowler, strike bowler Praveen. Bowling the first over. Dot ball and then a single. Ayush Kherwal here as an opener. We all know how explosive as a batter he is. There it is. Always loves to bat under pressure. Always up for the challenges. Ayush Kherwal. And that makes this contest even interesting. Wonderfully played. Single of the last ball of the first over. One gone, four without losing a wicket. Oh, what sound that from the middle of the bat. Was such a shame. Such a good looking shot. And it's gone for the. It was a dot ball, and this time he gets a plenty on the bat. And enough power behind that shot to take that ball into the declare zone. 3 runs. Oh, Ayush, he knew it was coming. So no ball, free hit delivery. And the way Ayush bats, every delivery seems free hit delivery to him. Oh, this one went other way. Was expecting the ball to come in. This one was a leg spinning delivery, 2 dot balls on the trot. Oh, he came down the track. But I reckon he stepped out after the release of the ball or not is the question, will remain the question. But because they don't have a DRS for such thing in this tournament, nevertheless, it's a boundary for Ayush Kherwal. What power, what shot. It had everything. The style, the swag. Oh, this guy, when he bats, those close-in fielders, they gotta be very watchful. And not only them, even the umpire loves to take the baller on, doesn't matter who is bowling. 2 overs gone, Chargers, 13 without losing a wicket. Good start, decent one. Oh my goodness. All this while in this tournament, Ayush Kherwal, he has been kept quiet, but now finally he is getting the timing right. The fits are moving nicely. The runs are coming thick and fast for him. These all a good sign. for Chargers. So one batter playing with grace and timing, another one playing with aggression and brute force. This is a good combination for Chargers. Oh, that long lever, the long handle of the bat that Ayush uses, it helped him to get that ball, that bat on the ball, and also a single of that delivery. 5 deliveries, 5 singles, 18 on the board. Oh, make it six singles to finish off. And overboard by Shreyas, 3 done 19 without losing wicket. The ball was in the air for a while, but it was trying and dipping to Praveen. Finally a breakthrough. The partnership has been broken by Pranav. 17 is the score now. We are into the 4th over. Nayak Warriors, they needed it badly. 22 was the score before this magical delivery. And now Chargers 17 for 1. Mr. Cricket has come out to bat at number 3. Pawan Mundra. An attempt to play the sweep shot. No bat involved. Oh, inside edge wanted to take single, but no. Good call from Ayush Kedwal. 2 dot balls in a row. So Pawanji takes a single, gets off the mark. 4 overs gone. 18 for 1. What an over that was from Pranav. Conceding only 4 runs and taking a wicket, breaking the partnership. 18 for 1. Very easy delivery for Pawan to play it. High full toss. Almost at a very comfortable height for a batsman likes of Pawan. Clipping it on the onside. Good use of the wrist. वो बहुत ही बढ़िया कदमों का इस्तेमाल किया यहाँ पर। एक हाफ वाली गेंद को तब्दील किया फुल टॉस में। पवन जी ने खेला लॉन्ग ऑन के क्षेत्र में 1 रन के लिए। बहुत ही बढ़िया कॉल। हाँ ना, हाँ ना। 2 लगातार डॉट गेंदों का सामना कर बैठे हैं यहाँ पर आयुष खेडवाल और पूरे पारी में उन्होंने खेला है 16 गेंद। रनआउट का मौका। थोड़ा सा बेहतर थ्रो की अपेक्षा जरूर किया था नायक वॉरियर्स के खिलाड़ियों ने और समर्थकों ने। एक जीवन दान के रूप में जाएगा ये मौका। 5 ओवर का खेल पूरा। चार्जर्स 22 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर। पांच ओवर 22 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर और आयुष ने खेले हैं 17 गेंद। 17 गेंदों का सामना करके बनाए हैं 16 रन। और देखिए बहुत ही बढ़िया कॉल। एक रणनीति के तहत पावर ओवर का फैसला लिया है यहां पर। प्रवीण का दूसरा ओवर इसी ओवर के लिए बचा के रखते हैं नायक वॉरियर्स। पावर ओवर के लिए 22 रन। और पहली गेंद में हाथ खोला और गंवा बैठे हैं अपना विकेट। कि सब कुछ बेहतरीन तरीके से चल रहा था चार्जर्स के लिए। शॉट भी बढ़िया थी इनसाइड आउट, लेकिन वो ताकत, वो शक्ति प्रदर्शन और गेंद इस केज के बाहर। पावर ओवर की गेंद, पहली गेंद, बहुत बड़ा झटका लगता हुआ चार्जर्स को। और अब स्कोर हो चुका है 12 रन 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर 5.1 ओवर। हेलो 5.3 double over still in progress. Chargers 16 for 2. हेलो हेलो Oh, very good shot. To play the sweep shot against Praveen, you got to be very good picking that length. Two deliveries to go. Pawan Mundra to face. Oh, some great improvisation. Oh, Pawan Mundra. He's a great innovator. Time and again he has proved it. Good timing. The ball is racing away into the 3 runs declare zone. Oh, Shreyas, what an effort from him, but he couldn't save the 3 runs. 3 will be multiplied by 2, will be 6 runs of the final delivery of the power over, takes the team's total to 26 for 2 after 6. 26 for 2. With last couple of overs to go in this inning, it's going to be very interesting to see Chargers. What is the total they have in their mind? And lot will depend, lot relies on Pawan's shoulder. Oh, that was a juicy and a loopy full toss. And the batsman says thank you so much to bowler. Deposited in, dispatched it into the declare zone on the onside for a couple of runs. Every dot ball towards the end of an inning can be uh, 7 overs gone, 31 for 2. आ रहा है ना? Thank you. पवन सर ने कितना खेला? आकाश? 9 balls faced by Pawanji in this inning. Last over to go. 31 on the board. They must be eyeing to score at least 9 or 10 more to take the team's total to 40 or beyond it. A team that scores anything beyond 40, it's a very competitive total. A one total where you have your bowlers to fight for. A good use of the bottom hand there. Good wrist as well. Around the leg of the batter. If it was an overarm cricket, and especially in the leather cricket, that would have some shot. Girish Sharma, what a cameo he is playing for the team. 15 of just 9 delivery, courtesy, one big maximum. Good gentle stride from Pawan Mundraji inside edge. The ball rolls on to onside towards the square leg region. Takes a single. 36 for 2. Last ball of an inning. 36 for 2. Will he go for a glory of a shot, or he will be okay and cool with single and doubles? Oh, he went after it. Good use of the feet. Wanted to go down. Will have to settle only for one. 37 on the board after 8. And one can say Chargers, they have reached to the score of respectability. 38 is the target. This could be a winning total. If Chargers, their bowler, they get a wicket in clusters first up. 1 run on the board. Couple of deliveries bowled. Oh, that catch has been put down by Girish Sharma. That came quickly to him. Oh, they are scoring run, but at what cost? A half-tracker delivery. No ball is the call from the strikers and umpire. No +1. No ball for the center line. Sunilji has bowled some exceptional deliveries in this over. If not, those extras would have been a very tidy over. But still, this is a tidy over. Only 6 so far in this over. Last ball of the first over. The pace that he bowls, the batsmen, they just cannot resist themselves playing the big shot. But at the moment, Gaurav Gohil in no mood to go aerial route. 7 for none after 1. 31 more required of 42. While batting first, Chargers, they posted 37 on the board. 38 is the target for Nayak Warriors. I can tell you this is not going to be an easy chase for Nayak Warriors. As Chargers, they have got some very experienced and very wise and clever bowlers. Sunil Singhania, Vikas Gupta, Pawan Mundra himself, Kunal Karnik, Ayush Khedwal. These are some serious talent and experienced cricketers. That is double K, Kunal Karnik. The good thing about Kunal's bowling is that he doesn't try to do any experiment, just sticking to the basic bowling to his strength, and it has worked well for him and well in favor of Chargers as well. At the moment, putting pressure on the batters with dot balls. Very slow delivery. The line and length was good, but the pace, it should have been a bit quicker there. Would have changed the outcome of it had that been quicker. Oh, it bounced many a times. Almost 3 to 4 times before it reaches to the batter. Another kind of delivery you need to bowl at this stage. Free hit delivery coming up. And the free hit delivery, batsman Ambrish, he couldn't make the most of it. 2 gone, 11 without losing wicket. What an effort that was from the fielder. Had he held it, would have been a blinder of a catch. So Gaurav Gohil, he is living dangerously at the moment. Whereas Ambrish still struggling to find it right from the middle of the bat. Two dot balls on the draw for Ambrish. Mukesh Sehgal. Catch it is the shout. Girish Sharma at long on. Takes it. That dot ball pressure was telling on the batter. Loopy delivery. Force the batsman to come and take him on. Well, the batter Ambrish only. He got elevation, not the distance. Safe hands of Girish Sharma does the rest. A wicket against the run of play, and the partnership has been broken by Mukesh. He has drawn the first blood in the third over, 7 for 1. Nayak Warriors, they are chasing 38. Shreyas, the new batter, out in the middle, and he's one kind of a cricketer, one kind of a batter who loves to bat under pressure. He has had a great tournament in all three departments. Shreyas, an all-rounder from Nayak Warriors. Seems like a strategic move this to send Shreyas as a right-hander because Gaurav Gohil, the left-hander, is still at the crease. They want to keep that combination of left hand right hand combination. Oh, Girish Sharma! Boy, oh boy! Save 3 crucial runs for the team. 3 overs gone, 10 for 1. Well, I reckon we have talked enough about the batter, the bowler. That effort from Girish Sharma was no less than nothing short of a miracle. All right, then, after thinking of something, Mr. Cricket has handed the ball to Girish Sharma. This could be another tactical move by Pawan Mundraji. 10 overs gone, 10 for 1. Catch it was the shout, but there was no one to catch it. Though it was in the air for a while, that excited everyone, not only those fielders, but also many watching this game live from YouTube and many live here at the ground. Oh, how easily done there by Shreyas. Just like Pawan Mundraji, he too has got shots for every delivery. Misses it completely. Not only the batter, even the wicket keeper Vikas Gupta ji got beaten by it. Oh, it has to be a no ball. It's hot and humid, though it's not that humid as it was earlier. The weather is getting a bit pleasant. Nevertheless, it's a free hit delivery coming up for the left-hander. Once again, the strikers, non-strikers and umpire has his one arm aloft. It's a no ball again. After starting off so well in this over, Girish Sharma losing his radar. Take that, Shreyas, off the back foot. This is as good as anything you will watch. 22 on the board, that maximum. It's gonna hurt Chargers badly. Oh, they need a wicket, and that too of this guy. That maximum also eases a pressure a little bit. Nayak Warriors, they are cruising. 4 overs done. 23 for 115 required of 24 deliveries. And now Pawan Mundra ji to bowl. 4 overs gone, 23 for 1. Leg spin, the very first delivery to the right-hander. Now because the left-hander is at the crease, you're gonna watch all the variations that he has got. Oh, wonderful length to bowl to the left-hander. Catch it was the shout. He has played many shots toward that reason, Gaurav. Thirteen required of 20 deliveries. Oh, predetermined from Shreyas. And that full toss delivery made the things easier for him. One run into the declare zone. He will retain the strike. Chargers, they need at least a wicket here. One wicket and they'll be right back in this game. 5 overs gone. 27 for 1. 11 required of 18 deliveries. Only a wicket can help Chargers storming back in this game. So Chargers in hunt of wicket, in search of wicket. They have given the ball to Sunil Singhania ji, who started this inning, started well, bowled a brilliant first over, bowled an over with no great luck, an over where he could have easily got at least a wicket. Now to bowl the second over, 27 for 1, 11 required of 18 deliveries. और ये देखिए, जो कारनामा करने के लिए बुलाया गया था सुनील सिंघानिया जी को, वो कर दिखाया है। 3 बेहतरीन गेंद के सहारे इस विकेट को प्राप्त किया है सुनील सिंघानिया जी। और अब जीत के लिए चाहिए 15 गेंद में 15 रन। जो अब तक नए बल्लेबाज आए हैं, प्रवीण जैन बल्लेबाजी करने के लिए। देखिए, जिस ओवर की दरख्वास्त थी, जरूरत थी, उस ओवर को वो ओवर ये मिल रहा है, वो ये ओवर है चार्जर्स के लिए। प्रवीण जैन बल्लेबाजी करने आए, बेहतरीन प्रयास जरूर किया वहां पर पवन जी ने, लेकिन ताकत से भरपूर ये खिलाड़ी प्रवीण जैन। 3 रन डिक्लेयर जोन में गया, लेकिन एक बेहतरीन ओवर की समाप्ति एक उच्च कोटि के खिलाड़ी गेंदबाज सुनील सिंघानिया जी द्वारा 6 ओवर 26 रन 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर 12 गेंद में चाहिए 12 रन। ये मुकाबला बेहद ही रोमांचक मुकाबला अब साबित होता रहा है और जिस पल का, जिस क्षण का, जिस ओवर का हर सभी को इंतजार था, ये वो ओवर है, ये वो पल है। पावर ओवर का सिग्नल अंपायर द्वारा, डबल ट्रबल ओवर का सिग्नल। ये ओवर काफी कुछ बता देगा कि किस टीम के पक्ष में ये मुकाबला जाएगा। 12 गेंद में चाहिए 12 रन। 12 रिक्वायर्ड ऑफ 12 डिलीवरीज। हाँ सर बोला। आपसे बेहतर किसको पता है क्या फेंकना है। आप भी राउंडर विकेट ही डालते हो। इस गेंद को रोका जा सकता था। ये वो खिलाड़ी है गिरीश शर्मा जो कि अब तक बहुत ही बढ़िया कार्य किए थे उस रीजन में, लॉन्ग ऑन के क्षेत्र में। पावर ओवर के पहली गेंद में 4 रन बटोर लिया है। 4 मतलब 8 रन और रन अब बन गए हैं 30। माफ कीजिए 34 रन। कहना बेहद ही मुश्किल है कि वो जो मिसफील्ड हुई है, वो जो मौका था, 4 रन छोड़ा है या मैच छोड़ा है, आने वाली 11 गेंदों में हम सभी को पता चल जाएगा। लेकिन बेहद ही खुश नहीं थे पवन मुंद्रा जी उस गेंद के बाद फील्डर के प्रयास से। और जब गिरीश शर्मा जैसा खिलाड़ी हो तो आपकी उम्मीदें बढ़ जाती हैं। इस प्रकार का खिलाड़ी इस प्रकार की गलती करे, ये एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था, लेकिन होता है। इवन इन, जैसे कहते हैं ना अंग्रेजी में, इवन द बेस्ट इन अ बिजनेस समटाइम्स दे मेक अ मिस्टेक। देखिए हर कोई नाखुश तो है ही, लेकिन आप उस खिलाड़ी से पूछिए गिरीश शर्मा, वो कितना नाखुश होगा अपने एफर्ट से। और देखिए अपने आप को रिडीम करने का मौका मिला गिरीश शर्मा को। अभी भी कहीं ना कहीं वो बाउंड्री उनके जहन में, उनके दिमाग में, दिलों में चल रहा होगा, दौड़ रहा होगा। ये देखिए ये मौका है। ऑलमोस्ट दोनों ही बल्लेबाज बीच विकेटों के बीच में जाकर खड़े हो गए थे। सटीक थ्रो की जरूरत थी। ये थ्रो अगर स्ट्राइकर्स एंड पर होती तो यकीनन बल्लेबाज श्रेयस को लौट कर जाना पड़ता पवेलियन वापस। जीवन दान मिलता हुआ बल्लेबाज को। और देखिए जब खिलाड़ियों का, फील्डरों का साथ नहीं मिलता है गेंदबाज का, तो उसका भी मनोबल कहीं ना कहीं टूट जाता है। इस ओवर से काफी उम्मीद थी चार्जर्स को। गेंदबाजी तो बहुत ही बढ़िया हुई पवन जी द्वारा, लेकिन क्षेत्र रक्षण थोड़ा बेहतर हो सकता था। 7 ओवर का खेल पूरा हो चुका है। स्कोर बने हैं 40 रन 4, 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर। 7 overs gone, 40 is the score. They are 10 runs ahead. 10 बॉल बोला था भाई साहब। उधर देख के बता भाई, मैं बोलने के लिए कुछ रहेगा कि नहीं मेरे पास। जिस प्रकार की बल्लेबाजी हो रही है यहाँ पर नायक वॉरियर्स की दोनों ही बल्लेबाजों द्वारा महज औपचारिकता रह चुकी इस मुकाबले में। 43 रन हो चुके हैं, नो गेंद, और ये देखिए विकेट। क्या कहानी ने नई मोड़ ली है या नहीं? नो बॉल जरूर था, थोड़े से कैरिड अवे हो गए थे वहां पर बल्लेबाज श्रेयस, और अब "39 is the score." Oh yes, just when we thought this is Nayak Warriors game, Shreyas, he never wanted to come back to the pavilion. He is dejected, disappointed with himself. It was a nothing delivery, but he decided to go downtown, was looking to play, shot for the glory, but he perishes there. Oh, it's a dot ball. Dot ball to Jay Dhami. The score is still 39. And Chargers, they are still in search of one more wicket. इस मैच के रोमांच को शब्दों में बयान करना अब मुश्किल होता जा रहा है। और इसे जाने दिया उसी प्रकार जिस प्रकार रविचंद्रन अश्विन ने T20 वर्ल्ड कप में, और ये देखें सीधे पैरों पे जाकर टकराई गेंद। आखिरी गेंद, सभी खिलाड़ी बल्लेबाज के इर्द गिर्द, और जय धामी ने एक बार फिर आसानी से इस गेंद को ढकेल दिया है। गेंद गई है 3 रन जोन में, लेकिन so that is it from the day 3 of EPL 2025. Nayak Warriors won that game against Chargers Another game that went to the last ball of the match. So we'll join you on May 1st in the morning. Until then, it's goodbye, good night.